By the end of this video, you'll be able to change the color of the eyes of any image in Photoshop very fast and easy. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video and then get started. Alright, so I have my image over here. As you can see, the eyes is blue. I'm going to try to change the color of the eye over here. So we're going to use the hue and saturation adjustment layer to do this. So we're going to come down here and then we're just going to select the hue and saturation. And then we're going to click on colorize like this. As you can see, our image has changed. The color has changed. We haven't done anything yet, but the color has changed. So we're going to just increase the saturation like this. And then let's hide this for now. And then we're going to select the brush tool. So we're going to come to the side. We have the foreground color and the background color. So what we're going to do is we're going to select white. You can just press on X to switch between the foreground color and the background color. So the foreground color is on white now. So that is okay for us. So we're going to come to the layer mask over here on the hue and saturation adjustment layer. Then we're going to press and hold Control and then I to invert. As you can see over here, our image is back to how it was before. Bear in mind, before we set our background color to black and then our foreground color to white. We're going to use the white to bring in the colors into the eyes again. So we're just going to increase the brush size over here like this. And then we're just going to brush over the eyes. Like that. So in a situation where you might spill the color over here like this, you're just going to go to the brush and then just press X. As you can see, this side has changed to black, meaning it's hiding. So you're just going to brush over the parts that spilled that you don't really like I'm doing over here like this. And that's basically you've changed. So we're just going to switch back to white and then just brush over it like this. So now we've changed our color to this color. That is kind of red, this color. So we want to change the color again. So we're going to come back to the adjustment layer and then just double click over here. And then on the hue slider, we're just going to drag. So wherever you want, the color you want on the hue slider, you're going to get it over here like this. So let's just drag it. And so as you can see, it's on green and the image or the color of the eye is also green, as you can see. Right. So you're just going to drag the slider just to change or switch between colors, the colors that you want. So let's take it a bit further. We're going to try and then bring back the highlights in the eyes again. So we're going to double click to bring out the blend if sliders. So we're going to use the blend if over here like this. And then we're just going to drag the slider back like this. Pay attention to the eyes. As you can see, we're getting some whites in the eye, some yellows. That is the colors in the eye before. So you're gonna hold Alt, press to split this, and then just drag it back just to feather it more. All right, so you're just gonna drag back and forth so you get a much natural looking image. So this is just it. Let's zoom out and then check it out. This is the before and then this is the after. So if you want to change it again, you're just going to drag the hue sliders to the left and right. So you get the color that you want. And depending on how intense you want the color, you're just going to use the saturation to just get it more intense or less intense to how you want it. And then the lightness as well. Maybe you want it to be a little bit lighter, or you want it to be a little bit darker. You're just going to drag back and forth on the lightness and then get the color or the preferred look you want, and then you're just going to accept it like that. So let me just drag in a different image and let's try that on it as well and see. So you have this image over here. All right, so simply come here. Let's create our hue and saturation color. Just click on colorize. and then just Control I to invert our layer mask. And then we're going to come to the brush, and then with the foreground color set to white, you're going to zoom in a little bit more and then just increase the brush size and then just brush on the eyes like that. I'm going to zoom out. And from here, we're going to come to the hue saturation just to get the color that we want. So we're just going to drag. As you can see, the colors are changing. So we get the color that we want. Let's assume we want this color, this deep blue kind of style. So we're going to just keep it here and then double click on the hue and saturation layer and then just drag this back to bring in the highlights into our eyes again, and then just press Alt and then click to split the slider. Just drag it back and forth till you get your highlights popping in nicely and naturally. And that's basically how to get or how to change the color of the eyes of any image in Photoshop. Very fast and easy. There's no need for any complicated techniques or anything like that. So that's basically it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you learned anything from it. Thank you so much for your time. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now. This video.